Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys download wallpaper guys. How can we set? Friends, we want to set guys your Samsung phone guys download wallpaper. So friend, how can you set it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we set download wallpaper in our Samsung phone device. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone gallery and guys you have guys this Google file. So friends, we will on it and guys you don't have to guys you can download also. So guys you can see guys download images guys tap here. So if you can see guys your phone download images, so guys I will take guys this one guys, and guys I will use guys you can see this three dot guys tap here guys, and guys you can see use as guys tap on use as guys. Then guys you can see guys photo and wallpaper guys tap here. So friends you can customize this wallpaper and guys you can set from here. Friends, come back. As you can see guys this photo wallpaper will set in a Samsung phone device. Means this download wallpaper will set. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends have understood how to set download wallpaper in a Samsung phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.